How to fix Instagram map not showing. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly what to do if your Instagram map feature is missing. So if you can't see it on your account, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure your Instagram app is fully updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instagram, and if you see an update button, tap it. Missing features often happen because you're using an older version. Next, keep in mind, Instagram doesn't release every feature to everyone at the same time. The map might not be available in your region yet. If that's the case, there's nothing wrong with your app. You might just need to wait until it rolls out to your account. Now, if you're sure it should be available but it's still missing, here's how to refresh the app and fix glitches. On your Android phone, open Settings. Then go to Apps or App Management. Now look for Instagram in the list. You can scroll or just use the search bar to find it faster. Next, tap Storage and then select Clear Cache. On iPhone, select Offload App and confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or data. It just clears temporary files and can fix bugs, delays, and missing features. Once that's done, reopen Instagram and check if the map is back. And that's it! You've now tried all the possible fixes to get your Instagram map feature working again.